This is Mondo Market TV, and I'm here for a review on Paverpol. This is some fun stuff. This is a sculpting medium and a fabric hardener. What that means is that you dip many types of fabric, cotton being the best, into the Paverpol, saturate it, and you are then able to sculpt with it. Here is a sculpture that's done by Shahar. She made an armature for this, and as you can see, she used the golden Paverpol, and she was able to make a rhino. This stuff is so great. I've used it myself. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot like sticking your hands in glue, putting it all over the fabric, and then creating whatever you want. It is environmentally friendly. It dries fast, but it also gives you enough time to work with the medium. It is great for many different types of art projects, whether you're creating dolls, you just need to strengthen some of the fabric on any of your sculptures. This stuff is great. It's environmentally friendly, and when you're done with it, it is waterproof, so you can create amazing garden art with it. This is Paverpol. We're at mondomarkettv.com. You can pick up your Paverpol there. Thanks.